Okay, so I'm actually here, and I decided to throw a kind of a wildlife stick right here. Okay, I was actually starting to work on this project, and I thought that it is actually quite a good opportunity to throw a live. That's, in my opinion, something quite interesting to do sometime. Like, using Godot to not make a game, but a kind of an app, you know? Like, you can make all kind of things with Godot, so let's actually do that. So, shall I explain what I'm doing right now, or actually wait for the actual... Well, if someone's actually rewatching this VOD or something. I'm currently working with my TTRPG group on a new game. Actually, I'm making my own game with, you know, blending and all the different kind of existing games. And at some point, I thought that having an application to help the player handle their characters' inventory and stuff could be quite interesting. And this is what I will kind of exploring right now. How to make this kind of application. So, yeah. So, I'm actually going very YOLO with pretty much no plan. So, this is going to be interesting. Right. And also, it's the first time I'm throwing a stream since I'm modifying the sound and stuff, so this is going to be also quite interesting to see how this turns out. I think I will have to be way more careful regarding the ambient noises. So yeah, let's have a title for this, something that will stay. Like, I'm gonna stay simple at the moment. I will have to be... sharp with the mute button because I'm kind of sick. Yeah, coughing and stuff a lot. So also it's kind of sad because I usually have this make vibe kind of have this sound in my head of the keyboard, which I can hear because of my earphones. But you do have the keys, my real keys this time, called by the microphone. Anyway. That's going to be a header label. And probably having buttons at the bottom. This is going to be the body. We'll expand. Like some buttons, bottom. I don't know. No. Something for the character sheet. Inventory eventually. I was thinking character inventory and actions because the point of this game that I'm making is to be simple for beginners in TTRPGs. And in order to make this beginner friendly, I want to have, you know, kind of dedicated actions for the players so that they don't have to be constantly looking for creativity with the environment and stuff, because some people just, that's not how they like to play games. Okay, let's see. Let's actually expand this button and layout. 120 could be big. I'm pondering whether or not I should bring this. Maybe if I have like a light one, it's not gonna clash too much with the one you hear from the real keyboard. Text is so small. I don't know if it's possible to make it bigger, the button. Oh, font maybe. Yeah. A font size. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. That's actually quite simple. Maybe not that big. At the moment, I'm just gonna disable every button. I mean, maybe not character. Also, I'm questioning, should I right now try just exporting this? Maybe I should do that quite early before it's so crazy. I'm just gonna make the tab container body. And see if I can. Alright, let's see. Tabs. And an empty. I'm gonna try two different tabs and we'll see. So yeah, how to handle this? So many ways. Body tab content. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Pretty script. Alright, so I think I need to make a public static instance. Oh. Body tab. I need to override the ready and exit. Well, as the constructor. Yeah, that's all. Oh wait, no, that's. And on ready. Okay, here we do check. Actually, it's if it's different. If it's different than this. Yeah. If we Q3 the instance, set it back to null. That sounds correct. This is kind of my new singleton pattern, sort of. More like my new static access pattern. Okay, so we have this. Now for the tabs. We have only 3. So I think it's possible to actually just make functions. Like, I'm not gonna generalize this into a modular thing. Not gonna be like 12 tabs. So I'm gonna create a void, switch to character, and pretty much a void switch to inventory. I think we're good. It's probably all I need. Button. Do I create one script for every button or just one script for the entire menu? I could use a single script. Main button menu maybe. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so we don't really need to keep track of the buttons, just bind the signals. So and here we need to fetch them. Oh, hi Darian, how you doing? Nice music, right? If you want, I can link it. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. And right now we are at 1523. So yeah, just to get you up to speed here, I'm seeing how, I'm experimenting with Godot and how to make an app, more specifically an app which is going to be used to play TTRPGs with my players. Tabletop RPG, that's as you wish. Tabletop, pen and paper, book RPG around the table, you know. Oh, right. So the thing is that because of the needs of my table and also my personal whims, I'm creating my own. And so that's why I'm having to make a custom app to play with your friends. Yes, that's it exactly. Very nice. Basically, my game that's most likely not gonna speak to you. It's going to be inspired by a French thing, which is this. It's actually a. I don't really know how it started for real, but they made books. They made you know, MP3 story adventures sort of, and they made an RPG as well, like a TTRPG. Those are the kind of games which derived from this much later. And yeah, it's really kind of a classic of French culture if you're my age. So the button press, yeah, just like on character. So it is quite likely that you hear my keyboard way much more than usual. I mean, not than usual, like you hear it for real. You wanted to do something similar with the bottle spin. Yeah, exactly. I think Godot is probably very good for this kind of thing. And more specifically, your idea of a bottle spin is probably something that wouldn't be too hard. So it's probably a great practice. I'm pretty sure it's a good idea to do that. I had ideas like this, but I was, you know, dreaming big, and I felt that there wouldn't be no way for me to finish the project. Okay, let's see. So, technically, the app should work fine in our little block here. Let's see. Let's not make it loading. Okay, so I can switch. Yeah, kind of. That's kind of weird. Now, I think I'm gonna try to build it, and here it's gonna be a little bit tough. Right, let's see, Android. So it requires ATC2 extra component. Okay, what? Okay, so I did something. What percent? A valid SDK. Oh, I don't have Java SDK. I'm pretty sure I don't have that. You're still waiting for that 3D farming game? That wasn't really a farming game. That was a kind of idle game, but with 3D assets to show you the progress. Yeah, no. I'm not doing 3D modeling at the moment. Not gonna happen soon. Yeah, I don't care. Actually, maybe Godot can... farm things. Yeah, what do you do? Oh, I think I can... How it comes that you do not have Java? Basically, I rebooted my PC quite a while ago, and I didn't play with Android at all since then. Okay. Oh, come on. You need Java for Minecraft? Oh, maybe you... I don't think you need it for the base game. Like, the base game should be enough. I don't know. Right. Open GDK 17. Just want the JDK. Oh, here. Why is there so many? Oh, wait a second. Must be it. But for modes, yes. Exactly what I thought. I remember I had to install it to launch servers, if I remember correctly. I swear if they ask me to restart my computer. Probably. You're done with the enemy bugs, and you need to assemble the puzzle or make a goddamn project. But I still have problem with GPU particle with collisions. Ah. Yeah, particles, I don't know much about it. I struggled so much just to make my confetti. Well, that was CPU particle. You did just fine, but when you played, oh whoa. As always, the scariest part. Android SDK. Let's go. Where am I? Oh, wait. I think I have to get the studio. Is that different? Ah. Yes, I read that. Need to download Android. You will wait a lot for it in Godot. When you export. Oh, I think that was fine. So as I remember, we waited 10-15 minutes for it to be done for the bigger game. I don't think I had this experience. I don't remember correctly. I remember that I did make several builds for my Vine thing, but... Oh yeah, me losing my phone basically also made me not make phone games for a while, I guess. You didn't know you had it. I mean, maybe they did improve it through one version, you know, because I did mine much later than you. You made phone games? Not really. I tried to see how the phones were reacting to translating my game to an APK. Initially, the blacksmith game that Alfium wanted to make was meant to be played on phone. But that was... I couldn't test at that time because I didn't have any. Yes, a virtual device can be interesting. Although I did make a few phone games with Unity. And at that point I didn't make any full game, I was still prototyping and testing features. But I did some things which were working. So that was a positive result. In fact, if you remember my Crystal Idol game, where the point was like to dig crystal and then research the crystal and craft things, I did a kind of very similar prototype of that on Unity. You broke your phone screen and now you have to buy a new one. That's always a terrible moment when you have to do this. It's like putting tank spice over him. Whoa, that's a big breaking. Do I want to send anything? Okay, use my data, I don't care. They will like me better. Maybe they will consider him a pigeon. Next. Android SDK, yes. Yes, that's pretty much what I want. Oh, eventually I will have to... Oh, do I have to read? Remove a few of my videos because I might be missing on space. Oh, no, I'm fine. You should read that. Yeah, well, you know, I'm quite in a hurry right now. You know, my next TTRPG session is literally Monday, so I don't know if I will be able to have this app working for Monday. Well, since this is... Can I actually... No, it's like... I'm gonna put that on the side. If you work hard. Yeah, I don't have... I mean, I have literally no plan. But... I don't need much. I don't need much. And drink some coffee? Well, I don't drink coffee. But I've been confronted to caffeine very recently. And I'm not sure if I do like it or not. I don't think so. Because I don't feel like it energizes me. But I do feel like it makes me jittery. So it's kind of a lose-lose. When I say jittery, I mean like... I probably mean what it means, I'm not sure. Like tea? Yeah, I do like tea as well. But that's kind of broad. Because there's so many kind of tea. Okay, so let's actually try to think about what's going to happen next year. Are we good? Okay, so technically I do have all I need here. I hope so. Okay, let's see. Project export. A valid Java SDK path is required in the editor setting. Okay. Let's see. I have no idea what it's. Oracle? No. Java? My brain is not braining. Huh. I may have an idea, which is not here. Wait, where are you? Okay. Where did you install this? You're not gonna tell me? Huh. Do you still play that chicken idle game? Chicken idle game. I'm not sure I know what you're talking about. Which one do you mean? Like maybe chicken isn't the thing that stick to my head. With mining on browser. And more. Oh, you mean Melver? Oh yeah, I think that might be Melver. Yes. Oh, absolutely not. Yeah, no, I didn't play that. Oh. I think I have it somewhere. Well, since I've merged my library with my brother's library, this is a huge mess in there. So yeah, no, I didn't play that for a while. Yeah, see, August 2024, ouch. It is on Steam, it is also on Steam. So where is this thing? Is it a user? Right, for real? Am I looking for app data here? Ugh, I don't know why I have so much difficulty reading things with this file explorer. Do you have a sock on your microphone? Yes, I do. I actually do. That's the poor person anti-popper. Anti-pop. Because I've noticed in my recent videos that I do have this pop sound, so that way that's nice. Well, that's actually something I saw in a video very long time ago. Someone showed this. No, don't hide it. You want to see it? Wait. I have to trick the whatever is removing non-people thing. Like, yeah, there it is. Actually quite sneaky. So where's this bloody Java? Where are you? Oh, okay. I'm really gonna read every single folder. It's not in x86. Well, you're going, then have a good day, and I'll see you later. Thanks for passing by. And I will tell you if it takes 15 minutes to build. But yeah, where is this thing? Where is it? I hate that. This is not possible. C program files. Yeah, I don't think I've seen that. No, I don't have it. I'm probably gonna try to install it again. Okay, new idea. For real? And is that here? Which one? Which one? Tell me. They don't tell me. C program files Java. Yeah, I wish so, but no, apparently it's in the Eclipse. But then once I'm here, which one they want? That's the part I'm not so sure. So that's just a folder, so maybe I just have to link the folder. Like this. Okay, we can try that. Yeah. And hi, Parrot. Nice to see you. I think that's the first time. Gonna say welcome. And those options, I have no idea what they do. Like, this is so much not what I'm good at. But anyway, export project, let's see. Why are you here? Oh yeah, you're gonna create a box which will never close. Like they did that the last time. Creating APK, nice. But it can take some while. Do I have it? Let's see. I can go on the side here. So Godot exports. Do I need both? What is this? Like, maybe I need to merge them. Not sure. Okay, let's actually create a thing. New folder. Okay. Okay, so this goes on my drive and I try to load it. Wow. This is kinda long to download. Wow. Okay, let's see. Actually, I should try. I mean, start translating this right now because I will have to do it anyway later. So long. Okay, so let's actually start thinking about how we do that. Saving. Eventually I will have to save. Yeah. Well, since it is downloading, I'll take like a few seconds just to be right back. So let's see. What if I have my be right back? Yes, there it is. I want white. There we go. Okay, so I will be right back. Camera off. I would have never guessed that the longest thing here would be downloading this APK. Oh, come on. My network isn't that bad. Okay, let's see. Character, and I do have to think about the saving. So, do I make the saving thing? Okay, make button. Gotta move that. What if I make a data folder? Color. Let's go pink. And create a news. Save data. Yeah. And that's actually a result. Oh, I think I have to do something about that. I think I have to say global class. Let's try. Let's try to create that. So, new resource, save data, okay, default, that looks okay. Okay, great. I'm thinking one thing, did I actually... Oh. Okay, so we have to save data, and I think I will make only one character. I'm not gonna handle multiple characters at the moment. Yeah, so we have 5 stats to handle. So we have charisma. We have let's see the order. Probably intellect second. Dexterity third. Basically something like this. Charisma, intellect, dexterity, endurance, strength. That seems correct. Now it's all a question of skills. So I'm just gonna work with this stats at the moment. That's gonna be enough. Okay, the download is almost ready. Let's see. Okay. Localize. Yes, I want to install this. Open. Unable to set up Godot engine. Can project no main scene. That's funny. That's funny. And hi, Fluff. I have no main scene. How you doing, by the way? As for the size, by the size, that's portrait and report. Oh, canvas item? I think it's canvas item. Oh, by the way, why is this text still here? This time looking at C# content. No, you're not. You've been around. No, you're not. I'm thinking about something. I think I have to go with, yes, canvas item, stretch expand. No, trust me, you've whistled your way around whatever C#. I did so far. Yeah, I guess that. So, here it's like very rudimentary, like it's not gonna be super crazy. What's this? Oh. Let's actually set a main scene. It's actually quite funny that Godot allowed me to build that without a main scene. That's the funny part. Best you did was come here and say hi and log off before you go to show you like food. I will not blame you for that. Yes, I want to override. Unlike I need the second file. Looks like it's not necessary. I don't know what this is. ID. Okay, definitely need the signature. Oh, ID signature, that makes sense now. Okay, so we have the APK. So I can download it again. Let's go for another 10-hour download. Oh, I need to uninstall the first one. Where is it? Oh, right here. I like how it's like went poof. Anyway. This is okay. Okay, so we have the saving. Now I have to think about how all this is going to be loaded. So eventually make a gray node, which is going to be the app node. Let's make this gray. All right. So, if the inst... come on. Now, ready. This is the new singleton pattern, by the way. I mean new. That's my current way to do that. Alright, so we have the app. Now what do we do with the app? First load the data and then load the user interface. I think that makes sense. Or do I make the user interface to make sure that it kind of dates when data is loaded? Oh. Oh. What about you, by the way? Are you still working on your super big RPG project? I think that's an RPG project. Oh, this is so long. Oh, hi, Evil Darian. You were half distracted. What were you asking? I was asking if you're still working on your RPG project with all the kind of complicated things you were asking for. You know, you can do a million polygons and it will run smooth. I don't know. I never created this many particles. Oh yeah, that's why you're back on the drawing board. Oh, this far back? Initializing data. Do I make data public? Probably. Not far. Nothing you did so far, risk of being scrapped. Oh. I guess that's a good thing. Everything I do is at risk of being scrapped in the next 15 minutes of its existence, so... my code is very, very unsure. Godot was originally... Evil Darian throwing facts? Like, you know, you see that every time you run Godot, right? The question is I have to answer right now, where would I stand between a bullet heaven game and a single player? Do you mean a bullet hell? And the name Godot comes from the play Waiting for Godot. Yeah. No Schmidt. Oh! Fine is downloaded. Okay, let's see. The Godot mascot is a cute robo called Godot. I'm sorry, but it's not cute. That's my take on it. So it works. It is infinitely small, but it works. And I have to get the safe space. I don't know if you can see that. There's no way you can see that. Actually, yes. No, there's no way you see that. But yeah, I need to grab the safe space. So kind of the same thing. What's called Godot Heaven is when the player is doing the shooting. With Godot 4, support for vocal rendering significantly improved 3D performance. I heard about that, actually. Well, the fact, I mean, it's actually fun, fluffy, because the thing you've seen the other day, right? Uh, this little video here. That's the very, very early prototype to make a... I think the name of the project would be Danmaku Defense, where actually you have this turret in the middle, and then you actually add spell cards to your turret, which will trigger, you know, typical Danmaku hell bullet where you wish. And if one enemy reaches to the center, it takes you alive or a bomb based on if you have bombs or not. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to reach with this project. I just don't know how far this will go. I would like to see that coming. And basically what I did right now is just like, you know, having the enemy move forward so that you can have like the basic auto attack somehow. Season assets are saved in plain text files. Well, yeah. Making them ideal version control like Git. You can actually remove the T in front of the scenes, but it's just not readable, but it's still text. Why don't monkey play cards in the jungle? Wow. Why did the monkey take a banana to the doctor? Wasn't peeling? Oh damn. Alright, let's see. It looks like the default implementation. It says, oh, isn't it? Oh no. Here we go. What do you do with that? So get display safe area. What does this even come from? Display server. Display server. So I guess I have to use that in the user interface? How do I get display server? Do I have to make an object of that? Oh, this is kind of confusing. Wait, actually I'm not even in function. Nope. Can you override ready, please? Come on. Display server. Get display safe area, was it the method? Yeah. Okay, and what do I do with that? Where is the music going? Yeah, I was still in this one. What do I do with that? Return the unobscured area of the display where interactive control should be rendered. Okay. I'm not sure to understand how to use that. I wish I could have, you know, just a margin. So I do know how much margin apply to my... Yeah, exactly. Multiple attempts modify, yada yada yada. What? Why can't I just get the margin? Like, for real. GPU particles need a canvas material. They need, I mean, GPU particles need something, yeah. They need resource. Okay, it's a rectangle 2i. The built-in volume type represents... It is defined by its position and size. Okay, so we have like 2 vector 2. Okay, maybe with the... What is that? Canvas material, canvas layer? I mean, when you need a resource, you just click on it and they give you the type for the new thing, right? I mean, that's how... Okay, what if I create a margin? Container. Put everything in there. Well, actually, let's not break everything. Margin... Like this. Put the V-box here. Okay. And now, this margin container... Save margin. We kind of initialize safe margin, so we get this display safely here. Oh, we need to kind of store that, right? Safe rect. That sounds bad. Unnecessary assignment? Well, you are unnecessary. Okay, now how do I define this thing? Like, how the position? So the position in and of itself is giving like the safe dot position dot x or dot y. And here's the margin tab. Yeah, so let's see. Margin. Theme override constant. Margin left. Can I just change this? It's so. Okay. Margin container. What is its name? Safe margin. Save. Yeah. Do I change that? How do I change that? Margin. Theme property. It's getting tricky. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. But it looks correct. The terrible thing is I have to make an entire build just to check that. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna ask a pilot, like, what do you think about this? Right. Well, of course I did get the node. Try to manually change this. Yeah, that's, I mean, yeah, that's a good test. I think I'm just gonna test with exporting that. I just want to delete it. All right. Okay, you down? Looks like you're down. I wonder what kind of fuckery can happen when asking compiler about code execution. I don't know. Like... Right now I'm doing black magic, so if it works, that means I'm a witch. Which isn't a bad thing, I think. Okay, let's download this forever. Am I ruining my data by doing this? It's a possibility. Are you downloading? Are you not? It's unclear. Like, you literally have 0 pixel on the progress bar right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, one element's gonna be downloaded. Okay, next. Let's actually try to work with data. So, scenes, user interface. Copy UI data. It's actually a long name. Oh wait, ready? How comes? Works. Damn. That's beautiful. Music is spinning. Damn. Damn. Oh, I love it. I could click on these buttons forever. So it is working so... Wait. So well. So well. Okay. Let's initialize this scene. So private void initialize user interface. Actually, oh, this is so long. And there we go. Amazing. Okay, so we initialize the data. So here, data equal new save data. Right. So on ready. Initialize. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We initialize the user interface. So technically, if I run app, I should have the user interface. Well, yes. Cool. Very cool. Oh, now I probably want to deal with the loading of the data. Well, that's gonna be in the initialized data. Okay. Do I have to watch my own video about how to save? That's possibly something I will have to do. Okay, let's create a view for the character. Alright, let's see. Control, character, a branch as a C. Okay, what do we add in there? First category, so box. Oh, maybe a scroll. Yeah. The scrolling container. Horizontal scroll disable. Photo. Never show. Character name on top. Actually, that's not what I'm going to focus on. But yeah. Oh, you mean right here? That could be. Like, this is just a placeholder. That could be the character name, definitely. But here, at the moment, I'm thinking about the stats. Oh. Hi Mercs! How you doing? What's up? How you been? Well, pretty nice, pretty nice. What about you? It's been a chill time right there. Yeah, the stream were mostly around playing Temtem recently. Are you participating in the Puyo Puyo Game Jam? There's this thing I found out where you can like override the style box of something, and you just, you know, add an empty style box to have like this margin inside without having to actually use a margin node. That's a lifesaver. Oh good, nice. He's hooking. How much am I cooking? So basically, I'm creating a custom TTRPGs for my players. And right now I'm experimenting with Godot to see how I can create an app to match the things I do in my TTRPG so that my players can have, you know, kind of a quick character creation, inventory management and stuff. Mostly because right now we are in the experimenting process of the game, so we're gonna create a lot of characters and the rules are gonna change quite quickly, so I kind of want that to be easy on them. So yeah, just kind of seeing how to make not a game but an app with Godot. That's just go. Took a bit of a break, first with Sable's Rising server, indeed, now doing tasks not related to code. And by the way, I will be like uploading the save file of the server once it's going to expire, if I don't renew it. But actually, yeah, I think you're the only one who joined as a player, so that's up to you, I don't really mind. Separation. Oh no, I actually wanted a... Oh, I can't set a... Oh, too bad. So do I actually... I think I'm gonna make a manual thing at the moment for the stats. Right, so here... I'm gonna have a label. Like, say this. Okay, let me actually. If I create two control, like the label and the value. And both. Oh, they can have a panel. So maybe I change that type to panel. And theme overrides. Actually, I'm creating this so often. It's kind of small, not gonna lie. Actually, they need to be panel containers. They have no theme override? Oh, yeah, they do. Okay, I gotta save that right now. Not sure how to name that. Do YouTube provide picture is cute? Yeah, that's the Wikipedia picture of the Sable. I didn't look very far. But yeah, Sables are cute. Okay, there we go. There we have it. So, theme. Override. Okay, so now I just need to load everything. Every time I've loaded it. Have you ever played Kenshi? I don't think so. I mean, no. But I'm not sure I see what game is it. I think I may have an idea, but I'm not 100% sure. Is it the Dark Soul-like, or is it the... No, that's not. That's another. I'm confusing right now. I'm trying to find where I use this theme override, but I just can't find it. That's crazy. Oh, right here. Yes. It's a good game so far. wait, I think I know. Yeah, I think my brother told me about this. Is it like the game the guy did alone, kind of, which took like 20 years or something? Which is like kind of Elder Scroll-like. Yeah. It looks quite interesting, actually. Now that's dedication. Yeah, right. That's not me who's gonna do that, right? It's 70% off right now. Yeah, I think I just said that right. I don't know how expensive it is, but... Come on, I did click on something the last time. Yeah, it's 26. Oh yeah, this game also look interesting. It's just like the Scottish RimWorld. Is RimWorld good? I think I'm gonna let my statistics talk about it. Well, I have 500 hours, but that seems incorrect. I don't know why. But no, it's a really amazing game. Like, it's so unique, and you're never done exhausting this game. Like, really good. Nothing to say about it. Especially the last DLC, Anomaly. Like, it's absolutely brilliant. But the thing is that the game is kind of small, I think. So I'm kind of feeling the labels right now. This song is sick. I really like it. I think that's... yeah. That's the Legacy of Lunatic Kingdom extra stage. I'm thinking about adding a lock here, so that you can lock the values. What am I looking at? You want to see? Okay. So the link for this playlist you can find in the description, but here's it again. And we're at 1 hour 38. But yeah, I mean, I recognize usually the stage by looking at the character and the artwork. It's like Toho OST, but very, very much rearranged. So I'm gonna put a panel container around this label for design purposes, I think. And I'm gonna do the same again here. Not sure. So now I have to bind every value here. That's gonna be taking a while. Eventually, I can make a stats and save this in a different. Maybe not expand vertically. Okay, let's see. So here we have button and label. Okay, so I need to find a kind of a naming nomenclature. No, it's not. So charisma minus. Charisma. Oh no, not charisma. I hope I didn't make any like miskey. It would be sad. I mean, the game will turn. Then here we have a lot of script to code. Yep. I'm gonna keep the labels, and that's pretty much. But I will need buttons as well. Do I need everything? Because you're not gonna lock and lock very often. Huh. Okay, let's take the labels at the moment. Let's initialize those labels. So impact. Ah, we've reached the end. It's time for the next one. Oh, we're gonna reset it. Yes. It is indeed double dealing characters. Strength label. Yeah, I think we have all 5. Actually, pretty cool playlist. I really love the house sets, 2 house sets. There's a lot more, actually. You kind of have to know the name of the games to get the correct house sets. But it's like from 6 to 15, I think. But yeah, they're good. I really love it. I have a bunch of music. I usually list everything I use in a general purpose. Why is data not public? It is. Oh, wait. Yeah, and that's an int. So, what is the toString here? Oh, come on. I guess it's something you put at the end. Yes. Can you get the third one? No. Auto completion is smart, but not this smart. And more than anything, this playlist isn't something that's gonna strike my videos, so yeah, cool. I think it comes from the fact that those remixes and arrangements, they're made of musics which are not copyrighted in the first place, and I'm not sure they can copyright it on top of that. Strength. Okay, let's see. Charisma, intellect, dexterity, and restraint. This can actually go in another method. Oh, you're so smart. I love that. Hey, that one got used in Mionela's Leishi solo. I'm not gonna act like I know what you're talking about. So I'm gonna say, okay, that's it. So, you might mean like the music has been... I mean, the theme has been reused by this person. A track in a boss solo video, yeah. Well, it is the... I think it is the first boss of Double Tuning character, right? That's the mermaid. So 14, boss 1, stage 1. I don't know if I have the games right now. I have the assets. Oh, I have the game actually. It's here. But I'm not that good at playing Toho. It's been a long time as well. Oh yeah, that's fitting. So boss was a corrupted water elemental. Is this a game or something? Is that a problem? Oh. That's World of Warcraft. Oh. Well, it's crazy the amount of games which have Toho references. Okay, so... Well... I really need a new desk, actually. It's like, it's trembling, vibrating like crazy when I move. I think right now the most I can get in a stat is 4. Now, World of Warcraft doesn't have toe reference after that, you know. The solo. Oh, he used the habit of using toe tracks for this solo video. Ah, okay, that makes sense. Well, toe references can be subtle sometimes. Well, sometimes not so subtle. Okay, so we have one. Actually, this is not in the decrease. Let me actually be right back real quick. So, where's the... there it is. Yay, me back. Camera and actually see. Move that. Okay. On increased charisma, that looks good. Okay, that's one. Okay, let's see. Pretty much the same thing, right? Did I copy paste? Ah. I could. Increase intellect. Oh. Actually. Oh, yes. Wow. T-Sharp doing its magic. Almost. Too bad. You almost had it. Oh no. You don't change that. Dick. And oh, come on. Did it again? Where are we now? Okay. I can tell. There's no character. That's definitely it's a lot of methods. Last one. Almost done. Okay, cool. Phew. Alright. Oh well, almost done, but actually now I do need to bind all the signals. Yeah. Increase strength. Private button. Okay, we're done. Now it's just a question of Finding everything. Oh. Oh, I can see the pollen entering. It's terrible. Terrible! Alright. Right, decrease charisma. Oh, that's charisma minus. Is it? Yes. Let's go. 1 out of 10. I'm gonna copy it. I think it's the first time I actually get myself to do such a tedious work. I don't really have time to think about the big scale aspect. Where am I? Decrease dexterity? Yes. What's the problem with press? Ah, missing a plus. Missing a plus. A decrease endurance. Charisma, intellect, yes. Okay, last. Absolutely not tedious. All right. What? So it looks like I'm good. Move the map. All right. I'm probably good. Now I just need to initialize everything. On ready. That seems correct. So, can I actually try this? I mean, that would be nice if it works. I did so many typing that if I didn't make anything here, that could be surprising. It's actually pretty good. That's cool. Nice. Okay, so now I need to just fix the buttons a little bit. I just dislike the focus. Selecting all the buttons. All right. Okay, do I make a function to reset the stats? I mean, to randomize the stats? I don't know. Let's actually just look how it looks like and think what can be done. We need like skills. Oh, maybe I could actually think about saving and loading this already. I think that's a start. Yeah. So... saving and... think I'm gonna grab my old. Where did I make save and load? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna bother with the directory right now. Just using a path, probably gonna be enough. So data and what is the save file? User :// save. This seems. Now loading. Okay, so initialize data. This seems correct. Now we just need to save, like when we exit the tree. I could also save when we change a value. It's here. Okay, so technically I can run the game, change a few stats, and see how this is going. So 2, 3, close that, run again. And we'll have the stat. Wow! Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, how can I set some buttons to kind of add actions without breaking everything? I mean, so that it's not too omnipresent or something. I was thinking about the lock, really. Like here. Let's grab a lock somewhere. Lock has... Let's see color. Where's... Ah. The size. What kind of size could be? 32 seems small. For button. 64 could be a little bit big. That's 40. Now maybe 32 is fine. And then I take the other one here. Let's see. Oh. Kind of want a little bit of a margin. Yes, I am. Textures. Hello. Sorry for that. Didn't catch this one. Oh, come on. The size, please. You're off. Well, have a good, whatever, evening. And see you later. Okay, textures. That's kind of a toggle thing. Well, it could be like switching. Okay, let's see, texture button, lock button. Is that a script? Stat lock button actually. That's something. Oh, lock button. Stats lock button. And I want a toggle state. Maybe we can save the toggle state. So here, something in the line of Boolean that's locked and false by default. Alright, so I needed 2 textures actually. So the locked texture and unlocked. So this is unlocked. So copy the UID unlock and load, I guess. Yeah. So a private void update texture. So if the stats lock, I need the, well, actually it's the texture of self. Don't need to get anything. So texture normal. Locked. And unpressed. Okay, we invert and we update. Sure. Oh. But also, we need to update buttons, the stats. So I'm gonna create a public entry. Stats container. Yeah, right here. So all the buttons visibility should be set to false, probably. Public void hide button. Secret. Is that a button? Yes. Okay. Entrance now. So actually not that long. Werewolf now. Oh, there's a tree. Okay. Maybe it's the... Oh no, okay, that's Rifasugar. I just have to change everything to... Oh, this troll. Okay. Now it's just a question of being able to reach those methods. So if I make this a singleton, I can. Of the instance null. Take it. And we reset the instance if we go up. Except that this constructor, not really a public thing. Not really meant to be accessed though. Actually, should I make the constructor private? Not sure how this works with Godot. Maybe it could create problem. The thing is, that's Lux button. Actually, it could be just a date. This way we call. If it's stats locked here. I button. Okay. So does this work? Do you want to run up? Let's see. It would be great. Okay, so... Oh, it's not clickable. Oh, maybe I forgot to bind button in and of itself. Yeah, button's not bound. So something like pressed. Oh ship. Oh, debugger? Oh yeah, probably because I... What? Object reference not set to an instance. Show button. Oh, that's complicated. Is it possible this guy is like ready before the other guy? That's completely possible. You may be back? Or maybe you are. So maybe we don't want to update this? But unready. Make a check here. So if the stats are locked, hide. Show. Maybe needing. See about that. So the error's gone, so that's probably what I was looking at. Oh, we're actually losing... oh. And it's supposed to be 50-50. Doesn't look like 50-50. Actually, it is. That must be like the absolute center. And what happens if I start? Not good. Oh, because I don't save after locking. Like, what if I save here? Oh, it doesn't work. So, no. But I'm supposed to load it. Oh, because I don't update. Ah. Yes, that's container. Probably hide here. And here we update. It's getting weird. And now I lock it. Yeah, so it is locked. Okay, that's good. Now, the thing is that I technically need to add skills. Okay. So, user interface. Oh, character sheet. Okay, so that's in the character. We add another panel. Actually, we duplicate this guy. That's another lock button. Which doesn't exist so far. Okay, let's add a panel container. Oh. Weird. Oh, wait. It's not meant to be empty. Oh wait, I need to add a minimum height for all the labels. Layout. Almost. Why aren't you guys centered? Alright. Now for skills, how do I handle this? I need to create a list, right? Oh, that's... how does this work with resources? Oh. Okay, I need to create a new resource. Actually, it's data. A new script. I could avoid create C# script. Could do that in JD script for you. I'm gonna try for the sake of curiosity. So we do that. But we also allow the creation of a new... I don't remember how to do GD script, it's kind of crazy. Init. I think that's it. The thing is that now C# should be able to grab that and use this type. Let's try. So... no. Not really. Doesn't recognize it. Do I have to say that too? Yeah, that was curiosity, and that doesn't really work so far. So let's try with C#. Skill resource. Alright, so now I create a constructor. I'm getting hungry. How long has it been? 3 hours? Oh, it's also been a long time since. Wow, something like this. Oh yeah, almost 20. I love the idea of being able to make different constructors. Anyway, now let's go to save data. I think I need Godot collection. Oh, I'm starting to blank. Alright, where am I? Array, skill resource. Oh, I need to fill that. Like, let's see if there's a problem with the types. I mean, right away. Looks fine. Oh, let's see. This is the goods container. Here I need each box. And I'm gonna do the same kind of thing. Panel twice? That's what we have? Not really. Oh yes, panel container. Two panel container. And in here, edit. Out. Uh-huh. Okay, so we have the line edit. Here's technically the else container. It's this in itself. It's kind of weird that they are empty. Oh, they're empty here. So panel 2 box. Like 40/40. So that's the decrease one. Okay, that's actually annoying. The microphone is so in front of the view. Okay. I probably need a button as well to save, like... Another button. Oh, that's actually a French thing. Okay. So eventually this entire thing, yeah, new skill. Oh, I can isolate this. In fact, we're reaching the 3 hours mark, so that's probably gonna be my break here. I'm getting so hungry. So I will leave you guys here. And eventually we might see each other. I don't know if I will be finishing this on live or not, that will depend. But I could be passing by maybe tomorrow. No, not really Sundays, I don't really do that on Sundays. But yeah, you get, but we'll see. Eventually I will show in the Discord the final result of this. But yeah, so I'm gonna disappear slowly with the no camera setting. And yeah, you guys take care, thanks for passing by. I'm stretching. And yeah, I will see you later.